Hi dear customer, now we introduce our automatic non-lock slider reusable puller assembly machine. So this machine output is about 5000 to 5600 picks per hour, and the machine size is 1.3, 1.1 and 1.18 meter. So now let's see the details of the machine. So as you can see, this machine has 3 vibration discs. So one of them was for the slider body, and another 2 was for the slider puller. So now you can see the slider body comes from this channel, and the slider puller comes from this 2 channels, and then assembly in this part. So then come out from here. So you can see the assembly result is very good. Okay, you can see it's very good. So now we have started the machine, and then you can see the whole machine how it works. Okay, you can see the machine is running now. You can see come from here, and the slider puller come from here. This 2 channel and slide body, and then will be assembly by this in this part. So now come from this part. So let's see the result. Okay, you can see the result is very good.